there. With the blood clot, chop.
It's a cat shit for your bed.
Leave the blood clot shit. Chop. Look there. Fuck's sake, man. Join. Yo, Razor, come take a cat out there. Chop.
Dandy Shandy, Chinese skip, ring game. Remember this? If you did not grow up playing these games, your childhood was low-key boring. No offense. Let's talk about the games that had us from sun up to sundown every evening, every summer, every weekend. Now, Dandy Shandy, you had to have lightning fast reflexes or you would go home with bruises. And you can't forget that cock up was a 10. Chinese skip, that rubber band string had us jumping like we were Olympic athletes. And then bullying a pen, you can't come out. Tell me why that game was so chaotic with screaming, running, no rules, just beer vibes. And then ring games, my personal favorite, because who could forget there's a brown girl in the ring, sha la 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 la. Or Little Miss Nancy went to town, went to town, went to town. That was literally our time for karaoke and choreography. There was rope skipping, Mother May I, marbles, red light, green light, and the list goes on and on. As
Mr. Guys, some American decided that we am buying a one little piece of chicken in the middle. Back so them blood. Oh God. One piece of fish.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
Yes, we got the chicken for the corn time when they bring it up, a little piece of paper. We're coming now. What is this? We tell you no more. Them change man zinger look good now. When me say man cut, you know.